Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain the second chapter of ICSE Class 9th Computer, that is Introduction to Java. Let us understand what do we mean by Java. Java is a programming language and a computing platform created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystems. It is a high-level programming language that follows the write once run anywhere approach. It was developed with the following goals. Platform independence, that is, it can run on all supported platforms. Object-oriented programming, that is, all elements are objects except primitive data types. Automatic memory management, robust and secure. Java consists of a programming language, a compiler, core libraries and a runtime Java virtual machine. There are two types of Java programs. Applets. An applet is a Java program designed to be included in an HTML web document. It can be written and included in an HTML page in the same way an image is included. Applications. These are standalone programs that do not require the use of a browser. They run directly by the Java interpreter itself. What are servlets? Java servlets are the Java programs that run on a web server to generate dynamic web contents. Let us learn about the types of Java applications. Servlets run on a web server and help to generate and maintain web pages. Swing applications are applications used to build a graphics user interface, that is GUI. Java archive files, that is JAR files, work like .zip files. They package Java files together in a single file. Mobile applications, that is application software for mobile devices. It is a programming language for Google Android application development. Phases of program execution in Java. So firstly we write the program in BlueJ or Java. Then we compile it and we can detect the errors if there are any errors in the program. After compiling we can finally run our program which JVM executes. Now there is one more code which is known as source code. It is a collection of computer instructions written using a human readable programming language. All the instructions a programmer uses to build the program are known as source code. There can be several source code files in a big Java application and many programs in a source code file. What is a bytecode? Bytecode is the intermediate representation of Java source code which is produced by the Java compiler after compiling that source code. It is a machine code for JVM. Let us understand the differences between them. What is an object code? Object code is a set of instruction codes that is understood by a computer at the lowest hardware level. It is produced when an interpreter or a compiler translates source code into recognizable and executable machine code. What is the Java Virtual Machine? The Java Virtual Machine or the JVM is a software implementation of a computer that executes programs like a real machine. It is a virtual machine that runs on a real machine and executes Java bytecode. JRE is the Java Runtime Environment. It is a set of software tools for development of Java applications. It combines the Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM, platform core classes and supporting libraries. JDK. The Java Development Kit is a set of tools that contains JRE with development tools such as compiler and debugger, as you can see in the figure. What are some most important features of Java because it is so popular? It is simple, robust, secure, object-oriented, platform-independent, architectural neutral, portable, dynamic, multi-threaded, high-performance and also interpreted. What is BlueJ? The aim of BlueJ is to provide an easy-to-use teaching environment for the Java language. It is an integrated Java environment specifically designed for introductory teaching. What are some of the features of BlueJ? Because all the schools teach BlueJ. Fully integrated environment. It is graphically class structure display, graphical and textual editing. It has a built-in editor, a compiler, some virtual machines, debuggers, etc. Interactive object creation. It has an easy to use interface which is very much ideal for beginners or school students. Interactive object calls, interactive testing, incremental application development or IAD. Thank you.